Hi, welcome to our channel, Design Engineers. Support us by clicking on subscribe button and bell icon. This video is about different colors of lines in Sketch. When you work with Solidworks, you will notice that the lines change colors. These color changes show the status of the sketch. There are 4 basic colors. Blue for underdefined sketch. Underdefined means that the sketch requires more dimensions. Black for fully defined. Fully defined means sketch has all dimensions, no more dimension required. Red for overdefined. Overdefined means you have put more dimensions than required. Yellow for redundant. Redundant means the dimensions are in conflict within the sketch. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.